Hello, how are you all? Today I am here to explain you the first lesson of grade 5 social studies subject, the imaginary lines. The earth's surface is made up of large land masses known as continents, water bodies known as oceans and seas, and a large number of small islands. The geographers created the globe for the purpose of locating place on the earth. Some imaginary lines are also drawn on the globe horizontally and vertically on the globe. The vertical lines are called longitudes and the horizontal lines are called latitude. The vertical line, it means the standing line, and the horizontal lines, it means the sleeping line on the globe, are called latitudes. Now let us know more about the latitudes. Latitudes are the imaginary circles running from the east to west on a globe. One such imaginary line of latitude is the equator. It divides the earth into two equal halves. For example, here you can see the picture of latitudes. They are the imaginary circles which are running from east to west on a globe. One such, they are imaginary lines, and they are here in the center, it is the equator. It divides the earth into two equal halves and they are known as the hemisphere. Here in this picture you can see about it. Here in the center it is equator and it divides the earth into two equal parts. Now the north part of the above the equator is called the northern hemisphere, and the southern part of the earth below the equator is called the southern hemisphere. For example, it is equator and this part is known as the northern hemisphere and this part is known as the southern hemisphere. Latitudes are also called parallels of latitude as they running parallel to each other and to the equator. Latitudes are measured in the unit degree. The equator is 0 degree latitude. The poles are 90 degree north and 90 degree south of the equator. The parallels in the northern hemisphere are labeled 10 degree north, 20 degree north and so on. They are the degrees that labeled on the globe. On the other hand, the parallels in southern hemisphere are labeled 10 degree south, 20 degree south. It is also very much important. There are 181 latitudes in all. Equator is 0 degree, 90 degree latitudes from 1 degree to 90 degree in the northern hemisphere and 90 latitudes from 1 degree to 90 degree in the southern hemisphere. For example, here are total 90 degree latitudes in the northern hemisphere and 90 degree latitudes in the southern hemisphere, and with including this equator there are total 181 latitudes. Now the important parallels of the latitudes. The most important and longest parallel of latitude is the equator. All the other latitudes are numbered from it. From this picture you can see it properly. If we move northwards from the equator, we will find Tropic of Cancer. From equator, if we are going towards the North Pole, here we can see Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degree north. The Arctic Circle at the 66 degree north and the North Pole at the 90 degree. If we move towards the southward from the equator, We will find the Tropic of Capricorn at the 23.5 degree south and Antarctic Circle at the 66.5 degree south, and the enlarged South Pole at the 90 degree south.